Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to do another sous vide video. I'm going to do pork ribs, baby back ribs. I can't believe I haven't done these yet. Been meaning to give them a try for a long time, and the time is right, so here we are. These are pork loin back ribs, also called St. Louis style baby back. They're not like the spare ribs with the big gross cartilage chunk on here. These are nice and trimmed. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this from the packaging, remove this membrane on the back. You want to do that no matter what kind of way you're cooking ribs, and I'll show you a cool trick on how to do that here in a second. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is get these dried off a little bit. I know it seems counterintuitive because we're going to be putting a dry rub on these, but there's plenty of stickiness to go around. So anyway, what we want to do is get the backside up here. Dab this out a little bit. Juices out. And then take a paper towel and find a loose bit of the membrane on the back. See? Yeah, see? You know, this kind of comes off fairly nicely and quickly. It's like too slick for your average hand, so anyway, you just use a little paper towel to grip it, and bam, it comes right off. It's super easy. You can get it just right from the middle like that, see? So there we go, membrane free, and we're ready for our spice rub. So give me a second to throw these paper towels away. Okay, so now that our membrane's removed, we're ready for the dry rub. I made my own here, kind of did like a pretty little, I don't know, sand sculpture style thing. So anyway, from bottom to top, the bottom is, see that, okay. The bottom is brown sugar, next layer is chipotle chili, then some garlic powder, some paprika, some coriander seed, some chili powder, some white ground pepper, some ground cumin, some thyme, a bunch of salt, and black pepper. I think I also had white pepper in there if I haven't said that already. But anyway, you can make your spice rub any way you want. You can buy a pre-made one, whatever, it doesn't really matter. They're all pretty good. Just any kind of seasoning is good. I used quite a bit of chipotle chili because it has a smoky flavor to it. So I would like to impart that into the meat, and so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, and with any rub, you want to be pretty generous with it. So once you get it all mixed up nicely, start pouring it on and getting it all covered really, really nicely, because this is going to be the source of most of the flavor for these. Okay. That looks pretty good. Flip it over, same thing. Next, we're going to put this in the bag. What I did was pre-make a bag, rolled the edges out because I don't want to get any spices or crud in the area where I'm going to be vacuum sealing. So that's a nice tip for these particular things. We've got a lot of spices or goopy stuff like the chicken. Always a good idea to do that. Okay, we get it sealed up. Now I'm using my big bucket today, and got my temperature at 155 degrees. I'm going to cook that for 24 hours, 155 degrees. So let's get this sealed up, double. Okay, we're all sealed up. Man, doesn't this look good enough to eat already? Anyway, let's get this in the bath. Got my robust insulated bucket, 155 Fahrenheit. Like I said, I'm going to do this for 24 hours. So, let's get that in there. Ooh, that's hot. And get that in there and I'll square it away. And I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, here we go. We're all done. looks like we had a ton of connective tissue breakdown. The spices seem to have intermingled really well. So what I'm going to do next is remove the ribs from the bag, get them nice and dried off really well, and then I'm going to cook them on my propane grill. It'll probably be about, I don't know, a minute initially, and then another minute or so until I add the barbecue sauce. I'm going to be using Sweet Baby Ray's because it's the best. Probably my overall favorite. It's basically a Chicago style, which is kind of like a, Kansas City, little sweeter, smoky flavor. I don't know. Most of you probably know Sweet Baby Ray's. So anyway, I'm going to get going on that and show you what it looks like here in a second. So here it is out of the bag. You can see the insane amount of juices that were left behind. That's mostly connective tissue broken down, and yeah, it smells incredibly good. It just smelled so tasty. I wanted to eat it right then and there, but we got to sear the outside. But anyway, they came out really, really great, and I just wanted to show you how much freaking juice came out of these things here, because it was it was pretty impressive. And the tenderness, they almost broke apart as I took them out of the bag, as you can see from this little tear in the front. So okay, so I'm pretty sure these are a raging success, as they are already very difficult to navigate just with even a pair of tongs. I was trying to put them on the grill, and they cut like butter. It was amazing. So anyway, I figure if I can look at this knife, it just cuts through it like nothing. But anyway, taking a look at how these came out, pretty much perfect. We got quite a bit of juiciness here, a nice crispy skin with the barbecue sauce on it. Oh man, these are fall off the bone delicious. Holy shit. Wow. Smoky flavor, good barbecue sauce. Like, I just can't even describe how really tender these are. Like, wow, these are so much better than my oven ribs. Not even lying. They're a whole nother level. Nice and spicy. Super, super tender. Wow. Okay. Not ready to say these are the best ribs I've ever had, but if I am a person without a smoker, these are excellent. And the rub is just spicy enough to go with the sweet barbecue sauce. That my recipe worked out great. Give it a try. Please let me know what you think when you make this. But this is incredible. I grilled them probably for two minutes. One side, threw some barbecue sauce on there. Flipped it over, threw some barbecue sauce on the other side, and wow. Use my rub. It tastes incredible. I can't even describe how tender and delicious these are. These are going to go really, really fast here. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in anything I had in the video today, hit the show more button. There's probably a link for it. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys really soon with another video. So again, thank you. So I just want to throw out there that I'm not the kind of guy that's like, oh my god, you have to sous vide everything. Everything's so good sous vide. But holy shit, these ribs were incredible. They were so good. Seriously, try this recipe. 155 for 24 hours, throw them on the grill for a couple minutes, throw some barbecue sauce in there. I mean, probably easily the best tender, delicious ribs I've ever had. I didn't want to show you guys me eating it because it's disgusting, because I was just literally stuffing them in my face. That's how good they were. But, yeah, legitimately, these are really, really, really good. Way better than my oven-baked ribs. And I just wanted to let you know that. So anyway, thank you for watching.